Hello friends, welcome to another video from this very special city of Rio de Janeiro. We are at the Ipanema end of the Copacabana beach. We passed here before and I'm gonna take you somewhere really special. It's Forte de Copacabana. Translated, it means Copacabana Fortress. And as you may have noticed, there's a military museum as well on the sign advertised. But I'm gonna focus on the fortress today. This place is visited by tourists and locals alike. And people come here. A lot of times they come during the weekend to sit down, have a coffee, and enjoy the scenery. But today is not the weekend. I thought maybe a quieter time is better because sometimes you need to wait to get in. There's a line to pay to get in. And the payment to get in is 10 reales, okay? Normal payment. Here in Brazil, if you work for the government or something, then you pay about 5 reales to get in. And if you're over 60, retired, senior citizen, you don't pay anything to see this place or to experience it. We're gonna have a look and you'll know why it's a special place, why a lot of locals come in here to enjoy themselves. There is the official entrance, Forte de Copacabana, that's the main name. Again, Copacabana Fortress is a military base. Fortress, you'll see soldiers around. Boa tarde. Obrigado. Obrigado. And this is the reason many people come here. Have a look at this breathtaking view of the Copacabana beach. I'll take you somewhere with a better view. Look at that. In the southern zone of Rio de Janeiro, where Copacabana is located, you're close to beautiful places, almost wherever you are in the southern area. A lot of history, cannons. Well, I guess some days they were, a long time ago, they were pointing the other way. Oi, tudo bem? To shoot down pirates, I guess. But I guess they're a bit too modern to have been used during the pirate era. Okay, we can have a better look. Look at this beautiful scenery. I kind of wake up and thank God I live here, usually. That's why this channel exists, to reflect my passion for this very special city. And over there is the Sugar Loaf mountain. And after that tall building, which is the Hilton Hotel, that's the Leme area. And all the way up to here is Copacabana. Okay. Beautiful. Let's take a walk. I remember one of my best friends visited and I brought him here. He was gobsmacked. By the way, this is Cafe Colombo. We've been on another video. We've been to the main Cafe Colombo in the center of the city. Very elegant, chic place. And this is the perfect place for them to open a branch, I guess. Although today is Tuesday, this place is very busy. Usually you need to wait anyway. And it could be a short wait, but on a weekend, not so short. So you need to come here during the week, if you can. If you come during the weekend, be patient. People just taking in the scenery. The lanterns are really nice as well. People saying hello. Why do women say hello when they're with a man? Just kidding. They can say hello anytime they want. Very nice. If you live here, basically, if you live in Copacabana, that is your backyard, and you can just come over here if you're with friends, have a coffee, have a burger, and just enjoy everything. Enjoy the sea air, the scenery. Obrigado. That couple separated for me, so that I could pass. I'm a bad man. This is a beautiful place. Very special, and also part of the living here in Copacabana, okay? And people from other parts of Rio come here as well to just visit, do something different on a weekend. Or if they can, like today, during the week. Beautiful. I remember the best friend who came over, he loved this place. And before he came to Rio, I made a video call to him from here and showed him what was waiting for him. Check this out. And the sound of the sea. My friends, no therapy needed if you live in Rio. I just briefly show you the entry to the military museum. I will not bore you with it because although I'm the fan of the military and I'm fan of the police who keep us secure one way or the other, right now I think there's enough war in the world, so and well, the subject of war does not fit with this beautiful scenery and the lifestyle of this city that has avoided war for centuries. So we're gonna go up. Basically what you would do, you would come here with your friends or on your own even. Walk up the stairs, take a small tour, absorb the scenery, and then go down and sit down, have a drink or a coffee or eat something. This is another angle. Now those islands over there you can see from the Ipanema beach as well. So we're gonna go upstairs. Take a walk here. Another shot at the view here. Over there is Ipanema on the other side. Take a walk. I love neighborhoods where you can live in the neighborhood and you don't need to come out of the neighborhood. You can find everything in your neighborhood, including the ocean and interesting places. I can see a ship over there. Could be a fishing trawler. Now this one is a big cannon, okay? This could do damage. It's pointing at, at the Copacabana shore. I don't know. I don't know the motive. Let's go around. Let's have a look at the ocean. Looks wild down there. They have cordoned this off for safety reasons. There. And the sea is wild. I would not want to fall into the sea from this side. Whenever my wife tells me, I need a vacation, let's go somewhere, I said, Jesus, this is where you live. People come thousands of miles, spend thousands of dollars or pounds or euros to have a vacation here, and you want to go somewhere else? Obviously, I also go to Buzios often, the resort town, which is on other videos. So, yes, you do go away from Rio as well sometimes. But I could happily stay here and just not go anywhere else, to be honest. Let's see, beautiful. What do you think? Would you get tired of living here? Because you got this during the day and you have a spectacularly crazy nightlife. I'm not even sure YouTube will let me put that on. But the city offers everything. At least to me, okay? Different people. There's some people who like cold places, or rather snowy ones. They like winter sports, for example. That's not recommended. Rio is not recommended for you if you're into winter sports. Sugar Loaf is enjoying a slight cloud cover. Well, let's get back, have another look downstairs. Oi, tudo bem?
Isso é forte, mas é.
Mainly locals, okay, visiting here now. That is people who live in Rio. But you can be sure you'll see tourists here certain times of the year. I'm sure there are some now even somewhere. If I look carefully, I can probably identify them. Sometimes it's not so easy to identify other tourists from Latin America. For obvious reasons, but a lot of Latin Americans are visiting Rio as well. Nowadays, a lot more from Argentina, because right now, due to the new government, their economy is getting better. Who would have thought, yeah? 60 years of decline, and in a year or so, and they're in good shape now, or getting better, thank God. No one deserves the kind of governments that are ruining the world in many countries. Ah, look at this cannon. It looks like a few tables are empty. Good, because after I'm done filming, I'll be having a coffee here. Oi, bem, buen appetit. Very nice. In the early evenings it's really nice. When the lanterns go on, very nice, very beautiful. Actually, I could see some people coming here once a week, just as a routine, to have a meal. I bet she's a model. The lady looked nice. I don't know. You saw her beauty on this recording, but beautiful. There's a sitting area here as well. And that's not the entry. Confeitaria Colombo. Café do Forte. The Fortress branch, I guess that would be. The main entrance. When I did the video on the main branch of the Colombo, Confeitaria Colombo, this cafe in the center of the city, that's a place you should visit if you're just coming in as a vacationer. Worth seeing. I did say there that you should maybe not eat anything for a while before coming to Rio. That way you can eat as much as you want. The meat, the sweets. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this brief video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just give you a taste of what living here is like. So enjoyable. I really wish you were here. I'll see you on the next video. All the best. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, make a comment if you have a question. Take care.